guys, what's up? So let's begin our video and let us see what we are gonna learn today. We are gonna learn how to give smooth scroller using CSS to your web pages. So suppose this is a website and it is of 2 sessions. So if I will be clicking on about, it will be landing me to another section of the page in a very smooth way. So let's see how we can create this thing in CSS. So first of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code, and there I will be having 2 files. One will be index.html and the other one will be style.css. So this is my Visual Studio Code and I have 2 files, index.html and style.css. So in index.html, I will be creating my whole framework, like my structure, what all things I want for my web page and websites. And with the help of CSS file, I will be giving styles to my HTML page. So let's begin our coding. And first of all, let us create a boilerplate code, and then here let us give this a title of smooth scroller, and after giving the title, let us link our style.css file with our index.html. So it will be like link, and let us just give href style.css address. After doing this, we will be creating 2 divs, and one will be having a id of session 1 and the other div will be having an id of section 2. And after that, this div will be having one nav bar, so we will be saying nav. And yeah, here we will be having one h1 which will be of logo, and we will be having another ul for our links. And yeah, we can just create few links for our website. So it will be like home, and we will be creating 3 links: home, about and contact. So you can just manipulate it according to your web page. And here we can write about, and here we can write contact. So after this, we will be linking our href with the help of link tag our home to our session 1. So we will be linking this using session 1. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, we have given this, and then just close our h1 and select this whole thing, paste it over here, and just write about, and yeah, we can do same with contact sessions also, but right now I will be only creating 2 sessions. So let me give here 2, and let me save this, and yeah, we are good to go. So we have created 4 sessions, and let us create one more div here and give this div a class of container. Okay, yeah, container, and let us have here one h1, and which will be having some text like welcome to technology jam, and yeah, jam. And the other one will be our paragraph, which will be lorem. Fine, so let us short our lorem because it is very big text. So yeah, let us keep it till here. Cool. So we have completed our sessions 1, and now let us create our session 2. So we will be having here one about, and one text. So here also we will be writing lorem, 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 and yeah, we are good to go. So let us move to our style.css and let's give styling to our page. But before that, let me open this with the help of live server. So this is our page right now, and we need to give some stylings to our page, and then we will be seeing how we can add a smooth scroller. But right now, when I will be it will be not visible. First of all, let me remove some patterns and margins given by our browser to us. So let us say pattern is equals to 0, margin is equals to 0, and border box sizing is equals to border box, and we will be giving it a font family of sans serif because I want my text to be in sans serif. So after doing this, let us select our session 1 with the help of hashtag so that we can give it some stylings like width is equals to 100 vh and height height is equals to let's give width should be 100% and height is equals to 100 vh. My bad. So it should be in percentage. Yeah, now let us see this. Right now this about is here, so as soon as I will be clicking over here, nothing is happening. Why? So it is it is SECTION, which is a spelling error. So now let us save this, and if I will be clicking, it will be coming to my second page or the beginning of my second page like about. So what we can do to make it more realistic and make it smooth? So first of all, let us give some stylings to our page so that it looks nice, and then we will be seeing how we can give a smooth scroll. So here we can have section 2. Okay, this is SECTION session 2, and yeah, we can give this whole thing over here, and then we can add a background. So we will be saying background, we will be saying linear gradient. Okay, first of all, let us attach our picture to our background, and then we will be giving it a linear shade because we want our background to be in dark shade, that's why. So first of all, let us attach our pictures. So yeah, you can see that it is very stretched out and it is not showing my whole picture. So to do that, I will be saying background size should be cover, and now it will be visible, my whole picture will be visible. And yeah, of course we will be having one body, and yeah, we will be giving this a color of Alice blue, which is a shade of white. So we have given this over here. Now we will be attaching our image, or we can say our image to second session's background with the help of background and background size. So I will be saying here the same thing. Okay, let us give this. Perfect. So we have our two images attached to our background, and yeah, it's perfectly done. Now let us create our nav or give some stylings to our nav, like it should be having a display of flex, and then it should be having a width, or let us give this a justify content of center. So we have both the things in center, and we will be also giving this to our UL, so it will be also having a display of flex. Yeah, now we will be giving this a width, width of 500 pixels, and we will be giving this a justify content space between, or we can space around. Fine, and let us increase its size and let's see how it affects our whole content. Okay, let us make it space between rather than making it space around, and yeah, let us give this now 500 pixels. Okay, not a great idea. So now let us see this. Fine, it's okay. We can just give this, and then we can have here a margin, and we will be saying a left margin of 50 pixels. So we have some spacing now. Okay, and let us give this 500 pixels. Perfect. So after doing this, we can give here a 𝑈LLI of suppose list style none, and yeah, let us see this. Perfectly fine, and we will be selecting RA, and we will be saying text decoration none, and here give me a text color of Alice blue. So we have completed our design part, or okay, some styling is still left, like we will be giving here a linear gradient, and then we will be saying 120-degree, and yeah, we will be having here some colors like this, comma, this, and let us close this, and yeah, let us add one over here also, and let us decrease the opacity of our color. So now let us see our whole thing looking nice. Yeah, it changed the shade of our image. So let me make it more light over here. Perfect. Let us make it dark. Yeah, now it's clearly visible. So after doing this, let us shift this welcome to technology jam in the center. So first of all, we will be selecting this. Okay, where is my class? Yeah, control. We will be selecting it from index.html, and we will be pasting it over here. Oh, what I am doing, man. Yeah. Now here we will be giving this a position of absolute, and then a top margin of 50%, and a left margin of 50%, and then we will be giving here a transform. Okay, transform, and yeah, this will be translate, and it will be minus 50%, comma, minus 50%. Now let us see. Yeah, it's in between, and yeah, we will be giving here a text alignment of center, so it's perfectly centered. So we have created, or we can say we have designed our web page, and now we have to give this a smooth scroll. Right now it's very sudden and it's not at all good looking. So how we can do that? First of all, go to your root selector and just add here a smooth behavior, like scroll behavior basically, and give this a value of smooth. Save this file, go to your page, and here as soon as you click on about, it smoothly scrolls down. So this is for today, guys. I hope you like this video and learned something new in CSS. So if you really like this video, please share this video with your friends and anyone who is really interested in CSS designing and coding. So if you really like this video, please share it with your friends and stay tuned with us. Till then, goodbye guys.